I like how they're made out of
Hola,
really good plastic.
hola. So what does it do?
Hola.
Fuck, it's bright. That's blue. Anyway,
Hola.
oh shit. Anyways, I'm trying out this new toy that I got for recording, and it comes with a little light, so I just like to fuck around with shit. So, ooh, we sipping on that juice. What are you doing, nigga? What do you got? Look at this bitch right here. What do you got?
I got some.
What you got?
Some.
Fucking bitch. Let me see what you got.
Some.
Ooh, fresh, stylish now. So yeah, the way I collect Hot Wheels, my brother collects these big.
I collect the big boys.
What scale is this? I forgot.
124.
124 scale. 124 scale. So if you see any of these Fast and the Furious, let me know. Just tell my brother because he's collecting all of them. So yeah, I don't know. He needs that red one there. He needs this Ford Escort there. He needs a Jetta.
He needs some of the OGs.
Did you get the McLaren? I don't think you got the McLaren.
No, I didn't get the McLaren. I wanted to get the McLaren.
That Peterbilt, whatever. Anyways, but yeah, let me know. Hit me up. If you work at Walmart, let me know. If you work at Walmart, let me know. Hit me up. I'm looking for Hot Wheels too. But yeah. So.
Unboxing.
Ooh, you got that sparkle.
20. Little K.
Ooh, secret. We can't shut down, bitch. You ain't cut your shit.
Fucking cut your computer.
Anyways.
¿Qué onda, vatos? Aquí andamos. Yes, sir. So, my brother, been coming in clutch, getting me them 124 scale Jetta toys. This one be from that Fast 9. Got that wide body Charger. And we got the Too Fast, Too Furious RX-7, Orange Julius. Oof. I'm about to do a little unboxing. One fucking miss of it. Shut the fuck up. Fuck your channel. Sick.
When I have that R34 in my hands, you're gonna be like, hey bro, can I take a ride? But you know what? Probably no go, man.
Blow my.
That's what I'm gonna get in my R34. That's what I'm gonna be getting in my R34.
Can you give me back my WRX?
I'm like, 17 Impreza wagon. Automatic.
Talk to her. What are we doing?
Yeah, record. There we go. Oh,
Sub dog.
cameraman.
Cameraman.
We
got the Ed Spaghetti.
Mr. Friend is behind the camera.
Ed Spaghetti behind the camera. Front lip. With a little red stripe. How much you need that? Fuck you.
Every video.
And what do you edit out every video? Fuck you. You're a piece of shit. You're a piece of shit, you know that.
Wow, take a breath.
Fuck you, Michael.
Justin, where are you going to, man? Look at all these bugs. It looks sick, dude.
Sick as in sick shit, or sick as in
Nah. What do you mean? Sick shit. What does that mean?
sick shit?
That looks beastly, like from a side.
I just need the other upgrade parts coming in soon.
What else are you getting?
Surprise, bro.
Just a surprise.
Now back to the channel. Show you what a real car's like.
Suck it.
We didn't see, right? We got the deck built.
We got
Get a tech deck on this shit. Deck build. Oh, yeah, dude. A little dirty. I mean, that's yellow.
sweet. Yeah, dude.
Gotta paint it red, I think. The sun it got baked a little bit.
Yeah.
You take it off. Take it off and paint it.
It's like same thing as the front one, right?
Yeah. And it's got the toe hooks. You got the bottom diffuser with the quad exhaust. And then this is for his birthday. Carbon fiber. Like legit carbon fiber.
Damn.
It's quad tips. I'm gonna get the big diffuser. The fucking those big ass ones.
Uh-huh.
They go on the bottom of this. They can make the car look lower from the back. Hopefully.
Head up. Fucking remember that song?
Calm down, dude. Perfect.
Chinga. Certified Stancy. Certified
Yeah.
Stancy.
Got the Jeep with the spotlight over there.
The Jeep in the spotlight. Lower the Jeep. Put some bags.
Some bags.
Some rims.
Need a new car, that's what I need. Give me a new car.
Get a 350Z. Fuck it, 370Z.
That's what I'm planning on doing.
Or the 400Z.
The new one.
The new one.
Sure.
Now I'm doing lunch. Some chicharrones. Sabritas.
What we gonna do tomorrow, boy?
And I go to my boy's wedding. Get it off papilla.
Shout out to Insta.
What are we gonna do on Saturday? We're gonna pull up.
I don't know where you guys are
We shall
sitting at.
pull up. We're going to that car show Saturday.
Buy you could throw down.
How you go throw down State Farm Arena.
First annual.
I love it.
Hey, that's what we said. I'm just following what I said.
First annual. Stay tuned for some collab content with
Not
On the
sponsored.
Gas.
Not sponsored. You know what these are? Like delicious.
Delicious.
Delicious little midnight snack. Watching the bro and the dad put on the TV. Master mechanic daddy.
Master Mechanic. God damn! Full effect looks nice. Shout out to the Master Mechanic, the pop.
Master mechanic daddy.
Thanks, Dad.
Daddy.
Daddy. Lay Daddy. It's all good. I'll start. Oh. What?
Let's see that. I'll get it from back.
it off. You'll yank it off.
And don't say that shit.
No, I'm just telling you. You'll yank it off.
It looks fucking good. I just need the sides now. Everything is falta.
You need to wash it.
I need the sides. I need a limo tint, the front windshield. But yeah, stay tuned. For more upgrades come to the wagon. More upgrades come to the WRX. That WRX. It didn't come with a vinyl, at least an emblem, something. So what I'm trying to do, all the parts I put on my car, is all the stickers I got on my car. Got the Kakume for the wing. I got the nameless for the exhaust, the billet works for the tow hook, and the license plate relief. All I need is a
It looks like because it's like a little bit different.
Thanks, cut.
No, we're gonna get a lot of heat.
Bro, that could be our first discussion on the fucking podcast.
Hey, take a picture like that, bitch.
That could be our first discussion on the podcast.
And I know, the way that little light is like that. Little light is like that. Ooh, let me get down in here. Let me put that real quick. That was both of those. No, this was over.
Yeah, but yours is like way lower than mine now. Take it from right here, straight ahead. Like where this mustache was at.
How the fuck does your phone have that shit?
What?
Squat and took a fucking, tried to get it in frame. And it says best shot for the car and it has a little spot to get the best
Don't worry
shot.
about it. Don't worry about it.
Just suck my dick and we'll find it out.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, sweetheart. Hey, Brandon, what you got on? Don't worry about it, sweetheart. Don't worry about it.
I got it.
Extension right now.
Fucking got your setting.
Yeesh.
Fuck that, my sister.
You got your ass fucked, bro.
Almost
That's
fucked my
gonna
ass.
be in there, bro. It's definitely gonna be in there.
Oh yeah.
Hopefully Eddie got that. Just going in there. Move forward a little bit. Nah, you're good. It's like, no nails. That's sick, dude. I like that. It sounds a little fucking. Has like a little blowback. Like when you downshift, it rattles like that. Like it fucking pops a little bit. You remember when I just drove it and it downshifted?
Yes. I heard it.
Fucking sounds dope.
I know.